Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer USDT from your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is that stablecoin that keeps your funds steady amidst all the market ups and downs. Phantom is one of the most user-friendly wallets out there, especially for Solana-based assets, and with updates in 2025, the process is even smoother. Whether you're sending funds to another wallet or exchanging them, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom app installed on your device or access it via your browser extension. If you haven't already, download it from the official website to avoid any shady imitations. Once you're logged in, check your wallet balance to confirm you have USDT ready to transfer. Look for the USDT token in your assets list. If it's not there, you might need to add it first. Now, let's get to the fun part. Tap on the Send or Transfer button, usually found at the bottom of your screen or in the main menu. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Next, input the amount of USDT you want to send. Phantom will show you any network fees up front, which in 2025 might be lower thanks to improved Solana scalability. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. If you're on a mobile device, you might need to enable biometric authentication for added security. Once you're good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a notification once it's processed, which usually takes just a few seconds on the Solana network. A quick tip: always use a secure internet connection for these transfers to protect your assets from potential hacks. And remember, in 2025, Phantom might have new features like enhanced multi-signature options, so keep your app updated. There you have it. Transferring USDT from Phantom is straightforward and secure when you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, check Phantom's official support resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.